Hey guys, day 2. It's Sunday, Labor Day weekend. It's a rainy day here, and perfect day to be in the garage. So we're going to try to get something accomplished again today. Scotty's on his way over. He's going to get working on the rockers. I'm going to start cutting on the roll bar, and we're going to start making this thing happen even more. So I hope you enjoyed the last upload. If you did, make sure you subscribe. If you are subscribed, just check to see if you are. Just make sure, because some people, get unsubscribed. Share it with your friends. Tell your neighbors. Tell your aunt, your old cousin Ed. Let him know. He may have had a 55 at one time. I don't know. Maybe he likes YouTube videos. Maybe he likes fat old truck drivers working on them. Who knows? So, okay. We'll see you in a little bit. Well, we got part of the roll bar cut. We got a cut loose down here, on the bottom here. You see that? Mm-hmm. That's cut loose. Now I'll cut it here, and then that bar, I'll cut it about here, and then this tube will come out, and then this is already loose. So I cut that one, and then cut the other. The front is already cut, so remember all the fun we had doing that, huh?
Yeah. There we go. One man hook bar. Yeah, I know.
It's like made almost for a left-hand person.
Another one gone.
Another pipe gone.
There you're not gonna.
But you can't come in.
All right.
roll bar list.
Yeah, right.
Well,
On the,
it's less than it was.
Yeah, not too much support on that side now.
No.
music. Music.
Yeah, probably shouldn't have taken that.
How much time?
I understand. I think it goes all the way back.
Yeah, I hear it back there.
Yeah, it's like all the way back to here. But aluminum, I don't know why they would do that. Of course, they have aluminum up here too. So no wonder why. I think I'll just cut it.
Making progress.
Oh yeah, I know. That's what Michelle said.
Turn it.
Yeah, nuts.
Now he puts concrete over the top. That's how he made the wheel.
I give you it's creative, but yeah, if I did that, I wouldn't want even anybody to know. And then you got a booth to do with it?
So I had to share this piece of pipe. Okay. All right. So here's the interesting part about this. Underneath the car, there's an outrigger about that far. It sticks off the frame. Now this is all the way in the back. So I got underneath the car to cut this part off of that outrigger, figuring that it was part of the down bars coming off the roll bar. So I cut it off, and as I cut it off, it fell off. And I thought, wait a minute, that's supposed to be connected to the whole rest of the roll bar. But as you can see, it was cut perfectly to sit up against the floor, so it sat like this against the floor, right? To make it look like it passed through the floor and was welded to the outrigger on the bottom. So the bar doesn't pass all the way through the floor to the outrigger. It's welded to the floor, and then they made this piece underneath to to make it look like it did. I don't understand why somebody would go through that much work, you know, to cut this piece and mount it and make the outrigger and everything underneath, instead of just making the whole tube go through the floor like it's supposed to. And this car actually had an NHRA certified cage. Yes, it had a tag on it. So somebody inspected this cage and said, yeah, that's okay. So both sides are done like that, but I figured there was no sense of cutting the other one off now, because it's not connected to the floor anyway. So yeah, I just thought that was something you guys would really think is pretty amusing, because I had a pretty good laugh when I cut it out, and I thought, well, there you go. You never know what your chassis guy is doing if you're not watching them, or look at the work when it's all done. So, yeah, fun deal, huh? All right. I've got a roll bar kit if anybody wants one. Got the handle bar intact. There's the handle. So for anybody that's asking why I cut this roll bar out that didn't see earlier videos, the way this roll bar was put in, you couldn't get in and out of the car. It was almost impossible. Well, for somebody mammoth size like me, you couldn't get in and out of it. It just wasn't, I couldn't put the bench seat in it and have it lay between the bars because the bars went straight up instead of like kicking out and then going up. So as nice as it was, and then I showed you the other piece that I found. You know what? If I put a roll bar back in it, I'm going to have one built to fit the interior and everything, and be safe but fit. This was, I don't know. The guy was probably about that tall from the way the seat was mounted in it before. So, okay. My other helper helping me. Word of advice: if you're going to make a fire block off on the back seat, don't make it out of wood. You might as well just attach a can of gas to it. And they got any other ones, or they just got them on the ends?
Just on the ends from what I can see.
Really? Actually, I got gunk in it. Hang on. There you go. Little wire brush time. And that doesn't even, that looks like particle board.
Yeah.
Just put it down. Ow.
Oh, sorry.
That's all right. But yeah, that looks like particle board. Maybe they painted it with fireproof paint. Yeah. That's good. That's it. Yeah, that's fine. All right. So, yeah. Yeah.
Oh.
All right. There you go. I got it right out of it. Oops, sorry. That out of there. Well, here's the roll bar delete kit in all its glory. So that's out. I just got the 2 down bars. I still got to get in there and put those out, but everything else is out from the inside. Big man can fit in here again, so that's great. I'm looking forward to getting that done. But I got that, and then like I said, I knocked the rocker off when I got in the car, so and see what sit on the other side. Let's see. What was there? This one's a little rotted in the back here. Just need some metal work to get all that fitted, but yeah, I'm happy. We made good progress this weekend, so I think it's going to be time to relax, and we'll get back after this and start cutting the floors out. Finish this rocker up first, and then cutting on the floors. But it's nice to have a car with no roll bar in it. I can just see how much easier it's going to be to get in and out of it. Like I said, that bar, I mean, if you didn't see it before, I mean, it came straight, you know, right down here. It was in the way just even trying to drive the car, trying to work the clutch. So, this car's been sitting too long. Hey, sweetie.
Yeah.
This car's been sitting too long. I got cobwebs coming from the car up to the ceiling. Oh boy. Yep. So, that's not a good thing. So anyway, well, hey, thanks everybody for joining in and watching all the fun. Watching what's happening, all the progress that we got done. You guys watched the other video, that's awesome. So I thank you all from the bottom of my heart. Please like, share, and subscribe. Have a great holiday, and we'll see you here, same bat channel, same bat time next week. See ya. Peace out.